The old kitchen was quite outdated, not a lot of storage or cabinetry space. So yeah, this new kitchen, we've knocked down a wall and made it quite an open plan, fresh, bright kitchen. Brief to the designer was a light, bright, modern kind of coastal vibe, and yeah, we're really happy with this result. The experience with the designer was really great. We kind of went in with a few questions and she was able to outline a few different designs. So with that, we got to pick and yeah, we're really happy with the result. With the new kitchen, like I said, we really wanted it to be light and bright and open. Having some integrated elements such as the dishwasher and bin were really key. Soft touches were a big thing. Color scheme, again, we wanted it to be light and bright, so we went with lots of whites. As you can see, the island, we went oyster gray because we didn't want it to fall flat, with some gold touches and a bit of a rustic look. The thing we like the most about the kitchen is the long island. I love the integrated elements such as the dishwasher and bin. Really just makes the space look nice and clean. And the soft touches, I don't think it's something you think you need until you don't have it. Both my partner and I use the kitchen. We love to have friends over and entertain. And with the bubs on the way, it'll be a great space for the family. The experience was great. Like I said, we kind of went in knowing what we wanted, but it was great to see a couple of different options that they laid out. Loved the online portal that they had. Was very quick and responsive, so very happy. I think seeing the kitchen come to life, everything from putting in the cabinetry to the stone getting installed, just made the whole process feel very real, so that was great. We loved the designs they had available, and they had a great special on at the moment, so it really suited our needs. Yeah, so I'd absolutely recommend Freedom Kitchens, and I already have. Yeah, great to work with and beautiful finished product.